Inspection, my friend and आमचे कॉमन पेंजीम कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीचे आमदार श्री बाबूशान म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट केल्ले की आयज लोकांची कसले परिस्थितीन डिले न करता हे आमकां हेल्थ सेंटर प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर मार्गार घालपाचें गरज आसा. And we have been talking, actually we just fixed the date today, and as a result Dean Goa Medical College Dr. Bandekar and Dr. Disa आम्ही आज ऑलरेडी जेन्ना श्री बाबूशान सांगलेले की आपल्या हेल्थ केअरा खातीर हांगा फेसिलिटी जाय, आमचे मदीं आमी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस केल्ले आसा की फेसिलिटी हांगा जाल्यार आमकां गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आनी DHS इंटिग्रेटेड आमी केअर लोकांक दिवपाचो प्रयत्न करतलो. ह्या बिल्डिंगेक इतिहास आसा. गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज जेन्ना चालू आसली पणजे तेन्ना हो भाग आमी डिलिव्हरीज एंड पेडियाट्रिक आनी बाकीचे गोष्टी मेडिसीन आमी हांगा ट्रिटमेंट दिताले. पूण मेन म्हणजे कित्याक की बिल्डिंग आमी आतांच श्री बाबूशान सांगल्या प्रमाणे करता की मेन ब्लॉक हो जो आहा हो हे प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर करपाक ऑलरेडी चड काम ना तेतून आमकां दितले, पूण आमकां जे अलॉट जाला ते कंडिशनान ना आमी सुरू करपाक. आनी मेन म्हणजे कितें गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज DHS आमी इंटिग्रेटेड अशी फेसिलिटी म्हणजे ह्या basically the people around this area will be in a better position to get quality health care. We'll create even an emergency center, emergency facilities, and also a 30-bedded, what we were discussing, minimum a 30-bedded facility is a must for this area, because this will not only cater to this periphery of Ribandar and all this, but it will create right up to Diwar and all these areas. We'll have and periphery right up to further up this Old Goa and other areas. This can become the focal point. Healthcare is very important, and as far as my commitment to Shri Babush is concerned, is that all once we get this, after talking to Chief Minister, what we have discussed is we'll ask to come and inspect, and we will facilities that are required. Actually, this is the building has got a history. Been with the Goa Medical College for so many years. Only after Jim came, then it got transferred when GMC went to Bambolim. But this we need to talk to Chief Minister, and I'm sure with Shri Babush and myself, we will convince Honorable Chief Minister to give us this area care 30-bed facility, which can be grown later, but with all the specialties, so that we are able to, not just for namesake that we want to start a primary health care center. It has to be a full-fledged primary health center, because the area that it will cater to is very large. Mantra is that what he has requested is a justified request, and we must get it done. Yes, that is enough, no? Time is enough. Honorable Health Minister, and actually I was surprised to see the place which had basically been allotted to us, because I feel that place is not even sufficient to have a dispensary of a hospital, and the place is really in a bad condition. I will have seek an appointment with the Honorable Chief Minister and with the Health Minister, and I will basically to come personally to inspect the site. And most important thing is the main building, the block, the original, which was the health, the medical center. That the main need to come up with something. We really need, because this is the need of the hour, and this is the need of the people of Ribandar. The Ribandar people have been neglected for quite some time, although they have been a part of the CCT. Even I think CCT has been giving step monthly treatment as far as Ribandar area is concerned. So I am trying to state it very clear. Whatever the need of the people of Ribandar is there, that needs that we will see that it is fulfilled. And I will tell the Honorable Chief Minister just to come for inspection, and that to allot us the main block of this medical.
No, the state center was proposed under the Smart City Fund.
No, Smart City. As far as the funds are concerned, the Smart City, either Smart City or the GSI, these are the two agencies basically to be able to do this job faster. Otherwise, basically, if you go to the health department, the tendering process and all that would take some time. So that they also have the confidence, or the GSI and Smart City. So that would not be a problem. So that's the reason I suggested that we should go to the Smart City.
The plan has already come as far as the smart cities.
Now the people of Uganda, they are a full-fledged hospital, not a health care center. Now full-fledged means they want the entire area to be utilized.
Primary healthcare, a PHC is what can happen here. It can be called a community health center or a primary health center. If you look at the community health center in Mitchell, you look at the community health center in Pedne, you look at it is a concept. Primary health center can also have all the facilities. And what we are saying is it's not only going to be under DHS. Primary health center are well taken care of. There's also emergency setup. So diagnostics should be made available. Also, we are able to ensure that people are immediately taken care of here. See the area primary caters to. The mine is called the community health center. But what we are saying is it is not the once you get the main block, in the main block we can carry out sufficient activities right from the casualty and basically get integrated with the Goa Medical College. So we can place certain interns and other people here so that people get good quality 24/7 care. We are not saying just like an ordinary PHC or a CHC it is going to be run. It is going to, if we run it, it has to be run very professionally with integration between DHS and Goa Medical College.
You spoke about Katibari. Usually Katibari will like
Start, so you must start somewhere. Tomorrow if you don't start,
The local have been asking for CT scan, MRI machines and all in their petition. Is that feasible?
everything has, and JMC also is there. Plus we can keep mobile, today when we are dealing with COVID, we are having mobile conceptual change in the thought process. Ultimately what the people want, they want care. If somebody comes for diagnostic, they want immediately their blood diagnostics, everything. You have auto analyzers and several machines kept there. Suppose somebody wants an X-ray, you can have a mobile X-ray machine. You can have multiple things that are there, so immediate care of the person is taken care of. But anything, if there's something more complicated, the person has to go to Goa Medical College. Today, when we are dealing with the whole of COVID, the critical center is Goa Medical College only. So all these have become like peripheries for us. South Goa District Hospital we started the ESI hospital, we got the Ponda hospital. So same way, here what the people want, we will not start something mediocre. We will start something where people get care here and they are able to understand what is happening with their body, and same thing is what is the illness that they have. Diagnosis will be proper, and what I have senior specialists from GMC visiting this. There is a history to this. This cannot be run just like that. From Goa Medical placed here, the interns can be placed here, DHS staff can be placed here, and we run it in a very different model. What Babush is saying is that it is not only restricting its activities to Rivana, this is going to open up its doors to all these other areas which otherwise have to rush all the way to Goa Medical College. So we need to take this seriously and we will both take it up.
So first initially it would be 30-bedded hospital, you said.
तू परत 30 बेड बाबूश कितें म्हणटा ते सुरवात जावंक जाय आनी बऱ्यापैकी सुरवात जावंक जाय म्हणून आमी मुख्यमंत्री कडेन मेळोन आमी मुख्यमंत्रीक रिक्वेस्ट करून दोगूय आमी वचून मेळोन डॉक्टर डीन आमी सगळे आनी मुख्यमंत्री गरज पडल्यार इन्स्पेक्शनाक हाडपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो आनी मागीर आमी डिसिजन तेजेर घेतले. पूण डिसिजन हे डेफिनेटली वॉट बाबूश वॉन्ट विल बी डन नॉट मिडियोकर. So that the people are happy with the facilities provided.
By when can you see this coming up?
So unless we meet Chief Minister, we cannot give a timeline. Once we meet the Chief Minister,